Building a course that feels like a personal experience is all about creating an intimate, engaging journey for your students. If you're looking to make your course stand out and truly connect with your audience, you'll want to focus on strategies that make learners feel like they're receiving a one-on-one experience, even in an online setting. Stick with me till the end, and I'll show you how to do this in just a few simple steps. First, start by structuring your course around real-life scenarios. When your content feels relevant to your audience's personal experiences, it automatically feels more tailored to them. This means instead of just offering dry theoretical knowledge, use examples, case studies, or stories that reflect the challenges your students face. By doing this, you make the course feel like it was designed specifically for them. Next, incorporate interactivity. You want your students to feel involved in the learning process, not just passive recipients of information. Add quizzes, polls, or even practical assignments where they can apply what they're learning. These interactions make your course feel more like a personal coaching session. But here's the key. Ensure that the interactivity is relevant to the lesson. It shouldn't feel like a distraction, but rather an integral part of the learning experience. One of the biggest things that can make a course feel like a personal experience is personalized feedback. This is where you can truly set your course apart. Use the power of automation to give feedback on assignments and quizzes, but make sure it's meaningful and personalized. Mention specifics from their responses, and if you're using a platform that allows for this, send them custom follow-up emails based on their progress. This makes your students feel seen and valued. Don't forget to offer optional live sessions or office hours. Even if you're creating a self-paced course, providing your students with the opportunity to engage with you live can make a massive difference. It gives them a chance to ask questions, clarify doubts, and receive feedback in real time, which helps build a deeper connection between you and your audience. Another powerful tactic is to let your personality shine through your content. People want to learn from someone they feel they can trust, and nothing builds trust faster than showing who you are. Record your lessons with your authentic self. Share your experiences, struggles, and successes. Let them know you're a real person behind the lessons. Finally, make sure the platform you're using is easy to navigate and visually engaging. This is the foundation of creating a seamless experience for your students. If the course feels clunky or hard to follow, it will break the illusion of a personal experience. I've tried all the top course building software out there, and I found one that's perfect for creating this type of learning experience. If you want to follow along with me, check out the exclusive free trial of this software in the description below. It's available only for viewers of my channel. Now let's recap. To build a course that feels like a personal experience, start by making your content relevant with real-life examples. Ensure interactivity with quizzes and assignments, give personalized feedback, and provide live sessions for that one-on-one feel. Show your personality and use a user-friendly platform to tie it all together. The key takeaway here is, if you want your course to feel personal, every step of the way needs to be designed to make the learner feel like the course is for them, not just the general audience. And remember, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along and start building your own course that feels like a personal experience. Thanks for watching.